Welcome back to the Den of Tools. Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again in the Den of Tools. So, did you all survive Thanksgiving? Are you as stuffed as the bird itself? I know I sure was. You know, the wife went on a baking rampage. Not only did she make the bird, she made a ham, she made stuffing, mashed potatoes, scalloped potatoes. She went all out. She's been pumping out pumpkin bread, banana bread, all sorts of stuff. Whew, it's a tough job being a bear in this household, let me tell you what. You know, gotta sample it all, make sure it's all, it's all safe for human consumption, you know. Anyway, we got some big news out of Harbor Freight. You've all been whining your little fuzzy tails over this. We want combo kits. We want combo kits. Well, guess what? Apparently somebody's been listening to you. Lord knows I wasn't. But anyway, someone has. And here's what they've brought you. The Bauer bonus coupon 20 volt 8-piece 4-tool combo kit. Oh yeah, includes the 20 volt drill driver kit itself. And that's the drill driver, the bag, the battery, and the charger. Now on top of that, they throw in of course, because they got to have that work light in there. Got to have the work light. They got another battery. They've got the recip saw and the circ saw. And you get all of this for $150. $149.99. Anyway, I'll leave that on screen for a second. You can screen capture it or pause or whatever. There's the coupon code down below there. It's 180-98843. You should be able to show this on your phone there to the cashier, and they should be able to honor it. My guess is it's not coming all in one box. My guess is you're just going to grab each of these pieces, then show them the code there, and they'll scan it all together. This is actually a pretty decent combo kit. I have to say, I've become a bigger and bigger fan of Bauer every time I try out their tools, and I'm always duly impressed by them, especially for the price. Now let's do a quick comparison here. Try to do an apples to apples, best as we can comparison here. So of course this is the combo kit we have here. 8-piece 4-tool. I like how they spell that out, so they're not trying to, well, I mean, of course they're including the light, but everyone does, right? Everyone does. If you add this all up, put it all in your cart separately, you're at basically $225 before any kind of coupons or anything. But I went through and tried to use best use coupons, best, cheapest price, everything, blah, 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 and I couldn't get it down to that price. Basically, you're saving 33% off across the board. That's better than a coupon. That's better than any super coupon that's been out there. That's a heck of a deal if you've been looking to get into the Bauer lineup. Now, Bauer's often compared against Ryobi. So let's look at Ryobi. The same set from Ryobi, now this is going to be 1.3 amp hour batteries, not the 1.5 you get with the Bauer, is $179 at Home Depot. That gets you a recip saw, the circ saw, the drill driver, and the flashlight. Now, I used to have this combo kit, and I gotta say, I thought the circ saw was fine. I thought the recip saw was a complete dog. The flashlight is meh, and the drill driver it's huge. It's like a torpedo. The thing is so incredibly long. It's obnoxious. You can't get it into a lot of spaces. Does it do the job? Yeah, it'll drill through things. For a homeowner, it's probably fine. But for me, this was one of the things that drove me a little crazy, and I ended up giving that set away. Now, that said, there is a deal on a slightly different set right now, and that deal is $159. And that gets you the Ryobi, the Impact, the recip, and the circ saw, charger. Basically, you get everything you get in the Bauer set, plus an Impact, for $9 or $10 more. It's kind of hard to argue with that. And you get the 3-year warranty from Ryobi, whereas the Bauer only gives you a 90-day warranty. The question is, are these tools the same quality as the Bauer? And I'm going to say, no, they're not. That recip certainly is not the same kind of quality you're going to get from the Bauer recip. The Bauer recip is almost as good as the Hercules. Don't let them hear me say that. They'll probably want to turn me into a rug, but I was duly impressed with the Bauer recip. The Ryobi recip is utter trash, and I'm sorry, and I know there's some Ryobi fans out there. I tried it, and even for a homeowner, I thought it was obnoxiously underpowered. The drill driver is the same drill driver. I'm not a huge fan of that style. It's really, it kind of reminds me of the new Heart. It's so long as to be like, maybe there's gnomes in there cranking away at it. I don't know, but it's excessively large. The Impact from Ryobi, I didn't think it was bad. It's not a terrible little Impact for DIY around the house use. And the circ saw is just fine. Is this worth $10 more. That's going to be a call for you guys to make. I do like the charger that comes with. The bag is kind of nice, but I'm not going to make my choice based on those kind of things. But I do have an issue with one of the core tools. I feel is basically almost unusable there, and the other one, the drill driver, is just an annoyance for me. Whereas with the Bauer, I think the Bauer is honestly a better deal. Yeah, you don't get the impact with it. You have to buy it separately and whatnot. I think if you are finicky about your tools and you want something of better quality, you're going to like these better. You're definitely going to like the batteries better, that's for sure. Anyway, that's enough of that. That's the, you guys have been asking for combo kits. There's your combo kit. It's a reasonable price. You can determine whether there's a better deal out there for you or not. But anyway, I'm just giving you the news that you can use, as it were. That said, Harbor Freight also has a cyber sale going on this week, or I should say today only, because it's Cyber Monday. So let's take a look at that, shall we? Cyber one day only. Shop in stores and online. Cyber Monday sales up to 86% off. Yeah, you know how I feel about that comment. Anyway, let's see what we got here. We've got the generator for $6.99, the pressure washer $79. Those are pretty standard prices. The double bank cabinet there for $6.89. Yeah, there's a better coupon out than that one right now. We got the tool kit for $29, the jack for $59. That's about right. Now the ammo dry box here for $2.99. If you're looking for some ammo box style storage, you're not going to find anything better for $3. That's a great price on that. The engine over there for $99. That's pretty much standard for the coupon price. We got the 20 volt, what is that? The cordless extreme torque impact wrench there from Earthquake for $220. That's right now the best price you can get on that. So if you've been waiting to buy one of those and you're waiting for the best price, that's it right there. Right to the left of that, we got the hanging shop chain light for 4 foot, $18.99. That's the best price we've seen on that. So that's a buy it now kind of price. Let's go through 2-ton crane. That's pretty good. The recip saw. This is the corded Chicago Electric. It's a decent around the house kind of recip saw for $20. The 46-inch mobile storage cabinet with wood top, $230. This is a decent price on this. I have this cabinet. I like it a lot. It's great as a workbench and storage kind of thing. It's does sometimes go down to $200. But it's about once, maybe twice a year. It does that for about a week at a time. So you can save $30 if you want to wait. I don't know. Usually it does it once in the summer and once in the winter. Are they going to do another price drop between now and Christmas? I don't know, but I might hold off on it because the $230 price is a coupon that comes around fairly often. So I wouldn't be feeling like, hey, I got to jump on this. I might wait for it to drop, see if it drops down between now and the end of the month. If it does drop down to $200, we got the what is that? The SDS, yeah, SDS Max. That's a decent price. We got the 800-pound capacity heavy duty hand truck for $45, and we got air compressors. Everything here looks like they're decent prices. They're not the standout. Oh my gosh, there are a few in here though. We're gonna try and call them out that are pretty good prices. Their new high-definition dash cam there at $90. We all kind of snickered at it, but at $59.99, not a bad price if you're already in the store looking to pick something up. And let's see here. Again, it's not my favorite style, but, that may just be a preference. They got the 66-piece Quinn socket set here, high-vis socket set for $40. That's a nice little pickup. That's a great little set. It really is. And the Quinn screwdrivers as well for $18. That's a nice pickup there as well. Let's see, we got the solar there for $145. Pretty sure that's about the lowest price you're going to see on that. We got the 390 lumen magnetic slim bar folding work light, $18.99. I think I've only ever seen it maybe for $17.99. If I've been looking to buy one of these, they have not been on sale this cheap other than in the past couple weeks. I would grab them now before they go back up into the mid-20s, low 30s kind of range. I think it was around $30 was the average high retail price. And let's see here. We got the new shop vac for $45. I know I owe you guys a video on that. I was fairly impressed with it. I think it's a great little shop vac. Here we go. The 48-inch workbench with light, $77.99. Now that's That's the best price you're going to get on that. It has been lower than this, but not very often. I think it's been 2 years since it's been the $75 range. In fact, this is something that didn't used to go that low. It used to be down to $80. This is actually a product that's gotten less expensive over the years. I have one of these. They're fabulous. You put it together right, you tighten them down right. It's one of those things you bolt together. After a few weeks of using it, maybe a month or two, go back through, tighten all the bolts down again, and it's nice and snug, and it's going to stay that way. If you do electronics and stuff like that, it has a great work surface for that with a nice light up there. I cannot recommend this workbench enough for that sort of work. And let's see what else we got here. The one of my favorite tools from Harbor Freight, their variable speed bandsaw, the portable bandsaw corded, $89.99. That's about the best price you're going to find on that. If you've been looking to pick that up, that's a buy it now price. We got the 8-inch 5-speed drill press. I know a lot of people have been looking at this, $55. Not the cheapest price. It does sometimes go down to $50, but again, that's a rarity. It's a maybe once a year sort of thing. So at $55, I feel that that's a fair price for that. If you've been waiting to buy it, I would buy it at that price. And next up, we get the infrared thermometer there for $16.99. If you don't have one of those, that's a buy it now price. Pick that up. Those things are great. They're great for finding, during the winter, you want to seal up all your windows, find where you're losing money on your heating. Just one of those, buying one of these, you will save that money probably in a month or two by finding those leaks in your house and plugging them up. Next to that, we got the digital inspection camera for $49.99. This is, I've seen a lot of the scope kind of things, like the ones where you plug it into your phone and stuff. I've used those. I get probably contacted once a month, but from some Chinese company wants me to test it for them. I find them all to be incredibly aggravating as far as setting up and use and whatnot. And having one that has a built-in dedicated camera for it or screen for it is really useful. And you're not going to find anything close to that price. Everything else I've seen is much more expensive. And let's keep going. The 20-volt Hypermax impact wrench there for $84.99. I've got one of these. That's great for your average shop kind of use, home shop kind of stuff. Now, I wouldn't say it's a pro-level tool, but it's great for the DIYer. The bags there, the 12-inch tool bags for $4. Those are great. I use those for all sorts of stuff. And let's see here. Anything else? We get the new 3-in-1 quick light connect kit. It's the big brother of that Braun slim folding light we looked at before. This was listed originally at $60. We now see it at $44.99. And I'm trying to see if anything else here jumps out at me as something that you just definitely want to pick up. If you don't have something like this security bit set over here for $6.99. It's not a top-line quality set, but these are bits you won't use that often. They're for those odd things that show up and you're like, how do you get this thing off? This is the set you want to have in your drawer. You touch it maybe once or twice a year, but when you need it, you need it. And if you're not doing a lot of stuff with this, you're not going to need like a wear-a set or something like that. Get this one for $7, throw it in a drawer, and once a year, it's going to save your life. Let's keep going here. The folding lockback utility knife for $3.99. These things are great. I love using these, way better than the old school kind of utility knives. They fold up, fit in your pocket. You don't have to worry about stabbing yourself, having it come open on you. $4. Just get one. You're going to like it. Anyway, there you go. That's your Cyber Monday deals from Harbor Freight, along with the brand new combo kit for Bauer. Who saw that coming? I know, right? And you guys were complaining and said you wanted it. Looks like they were listening and they delivered finally. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. If you've been looking for the Bauer line or looking to get into the Bauer line, this looks like the place to jump in. There's no doubt about that. Anyway, thank you all very much for coming on by. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Thanks again to everyone who's become a member here at the Den of Tools by supporting the channel. If you'd like to be a member, just go to the main page here, click on join, and you can help. It's kind of like Patreon, but built into YouTube. Also, thanks for everyone who came by the live stream. Hope you can join us next Sunday, every Sunday at 6 p.m. Pacific. We talk tool, tech, family, and fun, so much more. We hope you can be part of the family there at the Den of Tools live stream. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, come on, say it with me. Shine on.